Pulse up, baby. Let's go. Let's talk about it. Entrepreneurship. Man, this is the time, this is the season, fourth quarter, where people tend to spend the most money. Now, let's be real. The economy is down. Some people got money. A lot of people out here spending money. I was out Black Friday. CP spending money. But overall, people are not spending. People don't have it like they used to. The money is not floating around to everybody like it has been in the past, and we are all suffering from that, for the gig space, the entrepreneur space, the job market. People are getting laid off. People can't find jobs. People putting in 100, 200 applications daily to find a job. It's hard out here. That's why I've been telling you guys the past 4 or 5 years to boss up, create an additional stream of income for you, even if the revenue is not as consistent as it was a couple of years ago. You have that side income with a possible W-2 job income, and you can survive. And if you do get laid off, then you got the side income you can kind of go harder at and at least maintain your lifestyle, at least get the bills paid during that season. And still no different. You guys, we need to pick up a side income, a side hustle. Some type of extra revenue stream is important in this season, and still the number one way to do that, the number one way to start making some money is with your content. Not only do you get ad money from your content, you promote your business, you promote yourself. I have seen people get jobs off of social media from other companies, large brand companies, small independent companies. Somebody may just need an assistant. I've seen people get hired at other places by performing at their regular job. Somebody may be working at a fast food job, giving excellent customer service. Somebody comes in who owns a company, who needs a receptionist, who needs a salesperson, who needs somebody with good customer service. They will hire you and pay you more money. I've seen it live in my eyes. That a young lady was a hostess at Longhorns, and she was giving exceptional customer service, and another small restaurant owner needed a hostess. I think she was going to get paid like $12 an hour. The other restaurant offered her $20 an hour, so a big pay grade for that young lady. Now, she was maybe in college. She wasn't that old out here, where she's had the significant bills to pay and everything, but going from $12 to $20, that $8 hour pay raise is significant and could definitely change a lot of people's lives. So you see your boy in the Q button up, out here a little bit more professional, moving with a little bit more intent and purpose these days. All money in, every dollar is being accounted for. I'm not trying to lose out on a lot of things. Experimenting with a lot of different hustles and doing things that are tried and true right now. Yes, I still may do some Ubering. Yes, I still may do some package delivering. Especially with this season, I do have some Amazon Flex. My Amazon Flex still hasn't been deactivated, so I still do that time to time. I still have my IT contracts. I still have ECO suites. Now, with ECO suites, I'm looking to expand that business. Like I said, I got a full shower in there. I got pretty much a full bedroom set. So I'm going to convert one of the rooms into what they call split pad. It's a app called Split Pad, where people can, pay to stay there, or maybe turn to a small short-term rental. I was renting it out for office space. People using it for shooting movies, but that slowed down. I was getting 2 to 3 movie bookings, 2 to 3 conference room bookings. People using it for film, people using it for photo shoots. Since Halloween, it's been pretty much slow, and I had one booking. I just got another booking for January. It's about $250. So I was making an additional $1,000 a month through the business through just booking those, and that slowed down. So you got to pivot. You got to move to a different, revenue stream. So a lot of people hit me up. A lot of people need places to stay. A lot of people use my office space as a split situation. They may stay in the office for a couple of days, work, go home, take a shower, whatever. But since they're paying rent, instead of paying rent in two places, some people just paying rent in the office space. Go somewhere, take a shower, whatever they got to do to maintain and make it out here. So, my office is only $600 a month. I got 2 office spaces left. So if you're in the Atlanta area, you need a private office for your business, hair braiding, tattoo, barbering, whatever you need, holla at me. I got you. ECOsuites.com. You can check it out, check the pictures out, check the location. ECOsuites.com. That's the office space business. That's what I've been doing the past 2-3 years, primarily focusing on that. Kind of shut down Fast Fleet ATL, where I had my cargo van business as well as my delivery business. I had an auto parts contract and a medical courier contract. Lost both of those, sold my van, but still have plenty of knowledge of the courier space. Have helped over 100 people get contracts. I got over 200 videos on this channel. So if you're just first time watching this, go ahead, go through the playlist. A lot of these companies are still up and running. Some of the companies have folded. But I'm gonna go through the channel and kind of, see what companies are still up and open. I might take down some of the videos. Getting a lot of comments from older videos, like, they're not paying as much or they're not hiring. Well, yeah, you 2-3 years late to the channel, 2-3 years late to the boss up, man. But it's all good. I'm gonna actually go back and go through some other older videos and redo those and make a new 2025, 2026 playlist for the states, for all the companies that are hiring, for each, class, whether it's cars, SUVs, box trucks, sprinter vans, going all the way up to the loads going over the road, staying local, regional. There's a lot of ways to make money in the courier game, and I got a lot of information on this channel. But I'm going to be focusing, pivoting to more ways to make money, whether it's online, whether it's in person, whether it's starting a business, whether it's getting contracts and middlemaning the process out to others. It's all money in. All money in. Also start doing some auction, storage auction cleanup. So when you win a store auction, you're entitled or responsible for cleaning out that auction. You get all the items inside that storage unit. So y'all probably seen Storage Wars. You probably seen other things like that, but this is a way to make extra money. I paid $60 for the storage, and it had, old coins, old medical books that I looked up on Amazon and eBay that are sold or sold one. Pretty much got my money back for selling a couple of books out there storage unit. They got furniture in them. They got electronics, collectibles. So you kind of see what's in the storage unit before you bid on it. Kind of got to have an eyeball on what's valuable and what you can bid on. But that's another stream of revenue that I'm going to present to you guys once I get it all the way down and streamline the process. I'm going to show you guys how to make money reselling items from storage units. Sell them online, eBay, Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, inside your own network, or you can go to flea markets and sell these things as well. All right, man, just want to get on quick video, boss up, Money Monday, bringing us content, help you guys boss all the way up. If you got any questions, concerns, comments, drop that down. Let me know where you're watching this from. Please leave a comment where you're watching this down in the comment section. All right, later on, boss up, baby. QC.